Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to cook chicken drumsticks in tomato paste, also known as Hungarian-style chicken. For this, we will need 3 pieces of chicken drumstick quarters. Sprinkle each quarter of the chicken drumsticks with salt. Then sprinkle with black pepper. Pour 1 teaspoon of olive or sunflower oil on top of each chicken drumstick quarter. Rub the oil over the entire chicken drumstick quarter with your hands. Turn over. Repeat all the previous steps on the side of the chicken quarters. Sprinkle with salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Melt a piece of butter in a frying pan. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Lay out the chicken drumstick quarters in the frying pan for frying. Fry for about 5 minutes until golden. Turn the chicken quarters over to fry the other side. After frying, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Chop 2 to 3 onions. Fry the onion in the oil left over from frying the chicken quarters. Fry on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Peel 1 clove of garlic. Finely chop the garlic. For garlic lovers, you can add 2 to 3 cloves. Add the chopped garlic to the onions. Fry it for about 1 minute. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of paprika. Mix well. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Next, make tomato puree. For this, blend 3 tomatoes in a blender. Instead of tomatoes, you can use ready-made tomato puree, about 1 cup, which is around 200 to 250 milligrams. Pour the ready-made tomato puree into the frying pan. Add a little salt, about half a teaspoon, or to your taste. Add 1 cup of chicken broth, or 1 cup of water. Lay out the chicken drumstick quarters in the prepared sauce. Cover with a lid and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. During cooking, you can turn the chicken quarters over. Afterward, remove the cooked chicken quarters onto a plate. Add about half a cup of sour cream or yogurt to the remaining sauce in the frying pan. Mix everything well and bring to a boil on low heat. Once the sauce boils, you can turn off the heat. Chicken drumstick quarters are ready. Enjoy your meal. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and liking.